Howdy, folks. This is Monty. We're going to be doing a song called Rain. It's a song that I wrote, and this sometime before the Kerrville incident, and it's kind of crazy how it happened. That about 2 weeks before the flood, I was working on this song, but after the flood happened, I incorporated some lyrics into this song. So it's called Rain. Have you ever seen a raindrop fall from the sky? Have you ever tried to count them before they hit the ground? Oh God, only knows so many tears have been shed. They blend with the rain rolling down the river. Through the bend out into the sea, west away souls and broken dreams. Heaven shakes and opens up the clouds, and angels cry. All those kind loved ones that I've lost, all those kind of whiskey that I've tried. Heaven knows and opens up the cloud, but it's gone dry. So let it rain, thunder rain, let it pour down on the brim of my hand. Let it rain. I lose count the embers that I cried, though the fires that never reach the sky. Heaven knows there are ashes in my heart, hail in my head. But someday there will be an answer. The sun will shine on the brim of my hand. So let it rain, thunder rain, let it pour down on the brim of my hand. Let it rain, is my pain. Let it pour down, let the angels cry. Let it rain. Have you ever seen a rainbow right after the storm? Have you ever counted colors before they fade away? Oh God, only knows there's more than meets the eye. Together they blend from a scene of tomorrow. Forever. Rain. Like I said, it's dedicated to the Kerrville victims, to the flood victims out there. So it's called Rain. And soon I'll be in the studio recording that song with the right guys, the right studio musicians at the Cherry Ridge Studio. Anyway, thank you for listening. This is Monty. God bless you.